Please, yes, comment below and see you there, okay? So let's get started.
Wow, just like in the cinema.
Whew. What an amazing entrance to start.
SKYRUN. I love this channel, guys.
Wow, oh my god.
So beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, I got a goosebumps.
Whoa, the music makes me goosebumps. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. I don't need to go to New York.
View dari yang pemandangan dari Kuala Lumpur itu wow, so amazing banget gitu loh.
Ngelihat view dari atas semua, apalagi yang pas malam itu, waduh gila sih, keren banget, kayak lagi berkunjung ke Disneyland gitu.
So, you need a lot of money if you will go to New York. But in Malaysia, oh my goodness.
The city of Malaysia, or this building. Oh my god, and the train. Wow, amazing shot.
But this one, I saw like this one in like Seattle, the same as the movie when I watched the Great Anatomies.
Wow, my gosh, the roads are so bright. Look at this one. Oh, EQ. Oh, that building's cool. It has like different lights. Those two tall buildings look really nice too. They just look like a chandelier. Here's a day shot. Wow, beautiful, mashallah. Oh, this building's nice. I think it's a tall one. Yeah. Wow, they actually light these.
Oh wow! This is Vinara KL.
Wow, mashallah.
It's very emotional yet powerful. It's like a Hollywood film.
Commitment, courage, beautiful. Oh my god, the message. It's so beautiful. The commitment and the courage.